To make flashcards, first open the Ulat website. Select and open any lesson. Go to the lexicon and look for the images of which you would like to make cards. In this case, we'll select the first 6 personal pronouns. Now reduce the size of the window so that it occupies 1/2 of the screen. Now open PowerPoint and have it occupy the other half of the screen. Select Design, Customize, Slide Size, and Standard 4x3. Copy the image of the blank slide along the left margin of PowerPoint and then paste into your presentation as many copies of the blank slide as you think you will need, depending upon the number of flashcards you will be making. Now simply drag the images from the Ulat onto the PowerPoint slide, making sure that the image completely fills the slide. Next, select Print, and then, under Settings, select 6 slides horizontal and print your page. This is the appearance of your printed page. Next, trim away the excess white border around each image. If you have used the heaviest cardstock which your printer can handle, your flashcards are all ready to use, though you may choose to laminate them.